Hi guys, good afternoon, good evening, happy Halloween. Just made some dinner. Noodles, KFC chicken and some chicken fried traders. That's to start it. And now I'm going to have some ice cream with it. Which is going to be this mint chocolate chip ice cream, and I am going to put some chocolate on it. Now I've got ice everywhere, and then I'm going to put some chocolate on it, guys. Cherries, orange, mint. It's quite nice, very minty, but perfect to go with an ice cream. So yeah. So I wonder what you're all going to do tonight for Halloween, I wonder. Anyone going out? Anyone going trick-or-treating? Like you used to do when we were kids? Or are you just going to sit and relax and watch a few horror movies? Well, tonight I'm definitely going live. I'm definitely going live tonight, guys, because it's Halloween. So yeah. I don't know why my views have gone really down on my videos, on my food videos. Usually I hit between 200 to 1,000, and then from 1,000 to about 1,600, 1,800. But last couple of days it's been really stressful. Could be YouTube. You know, people have been getting major problems with YouTube. So this is the noodles, guys. These are chicken noodles. We've got KFC chicken on there. And we've got the refrigerators. Everybody loves a refrigerator. I couldn't even say the word then. But I'm hoping if we do go out tonight, guys, trick-or-treating with your family, please stay safe. Because this time of the year, you get some idiots around, scaring kids. Like we had them in Wales a couple of years back, in a small town. Someone dressing up with an it mask and causing major problems. We found out it was a mental health patient who actually walked out to the hospital on Halloween night. Then we had one with Michael Myers mask going round, and it wasn't a rubber knife neither, it was a real knife he had. So yeah, he was stopping cars, attacking people in cars, smashing cars up. And it was really scary for the residents of that little town. Not village, town. And I do believe it happened in England and all. That someone was dressing up like Michael Myers or like It's the Clown and that, causing mayhem, causing destruction to vehicles and that, stopping vehicles, scaring the people in the car. So yeah, just be careful, guys. I know it's supposed to be fun tonight, you know, and trick-or-treating. Because I remember it when we were kids, if we didn't get a treat, we'd drop the gate. We caught them a trick and we'd nick the gate off the hinges. Every year we used to do that. No chocolate or treat. We'd nick the gate off the hinges. But now they were so crafty, they bended the hook back. So you couldn't take the gate off the hook. You might be able to take one off the hook, but you wouldn't take both hooks off. So we'd leave the gate there dangling. Or we would get paper or paper bags with dog poo in it, light it, ring the doorbell after we've lit and leg it and seen the people stamping on it, trying to put it out, but unfortunately it was dog poo. Oh my God, we used to do crazy things in Halloween, but it was fun. Never got in trouble with the law though. But the only advice they gave us though was not to knock. We knew everyone on the estate. We knew who the old age pensioners were. We knew who were under 50s, under 60s. So we used to knock on their door. We'd never go and knock on an old couple door. Because we did get advice off the police not to go to certain numbers on the estate because they are old people. Can you imagine? They opened the door and seen you there with a mask on. They'd have a bloody heart attack. So yeah, that's what we used to do. We used to make sure, we used to tell everyone on the estate not to knock on certain doors. And next week is going to be bonfire night. Next Wednesday coming, so I'm hoping I'll be able to hear some fireworks on my live stream. But Christmas, I've got an idea for Christmas. I've seen a couple of things that I want to buy on Christmas. You got a twerking Santa. You got a Santa dancing with hula hoop. So yeah, I might get a couple. But we'll see. It's going to cost me about 200 to 300 quid if I need to get a setup of like Santas, tornado lava lamps with a light, with a what's name spinning in the middle, and a few things like that. So yeah, guys, this is my tea for tonight. I love the chicken. So yeah, that's what I'm on for my tea. Where's my salt? Oh. So thank you guys. Enjoy yourself tonight. If you are going live on night, guys, and you're dressing up, I hope I could see someone who's live in a Halloween costume, going trick-or-treating, or maybe just going for a walk in their costume. But if you do, guys, stay safe. And the same for next Wednesday and all for bonfire night. Stay safe tonight. Stay safe next Wednesday. Make sure your kids does not touch the fireworks when they've gone out, or they're going to end up in the emergency room with burnt hands. Right, thanks guys. I shall catch you all later. Bye.